Practical accounting, the better way to learn.
Let's move on to the second module. The second module, we're going to now have a little fun. What you can do is you can, if you have the file, you can click on this. It's by the Science Channel. It's a YouTube. It's a 5-minute factory tour of how NASCAR racing car bodies are made. And you can take a 5-minute factory tour. And or if you don't have that link or the link's not working, search how it's made NASCAR bodies, and it'll bring it right up for you. So go take a look at that. And when you return, go to the sheet. What we're going to do is for our business is Body Works Custom Auto Body, Custom Car Bodies. We have received an order for 2 customized car bodies for 1 customer. Our customer is known as One Racing Team. And then a little review and classification. Go out here and classify each of these elements from the video as either direct materials, direct labor, and or factory overhead. When you do get it right, this is really cool. When you do get it right, this pointer over here will turn to a thumbs up, and you will get a score down here. 6 out of 6 is a perfect score. So go do that, and then we're going to return. Next video is we're actually going to compute the cost of the job.
You can get this Excel workbook and a whole lot more stuff for free at practicalaccounting.com. See you there.